The snacks you think are healthy are literally eating your brain cells while you sleep. You think you're being healthy. It's 9 p.m., you've had a long day, and instead of reaching for chips or ice cream, you grab something good for you. A little snack before bed, responsible, virtuous even. But here's what nobody is telling you. Some of the snacks we've been convinced are healthy are quietly sabotaging your brain while you sleep. Specifically, your memory consolidation, the process your brain uses at night to sort, store, and lock in everything you learned that day. Let's talk about the 3 worst offenders. Number 1, flavored Greek yogurt. Wait, yogurt. Yes, the flavored kind is loaded with added sugar, sometimes up to 20 grams per serving. Eating high-sugar foods before bed triggers an insulin spike, followed by a cortisol response in the middle of the night. Cortisol, your stress hormone, disrupts deep sleep, and deep sleep is exactly when your hippocampus is filing away your memories. No deep sleep, no filing, no memory. You wake up foggy, forgetting names, forgetting where you put things, forgetting what you were even trying to remember in the first place. Number 2, whole grain crackers with peanut butter. I know, this one hurts, but here's the problem. Most commercial whole grain crackers are highly processed and contain vegetable oils like sunflower or canola oil that are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. An imbalanced omega-6 to omega-3 ratio has been directly linked in multiple studies to neuroinflammation. And neuroinflammation, especially chronic low-grade inflammation happening at night when your brain is supposed to be cleaning itself through the lymphatic system, is one of the leading accelerators of cognitive decline. Your brain literally has a cleaning cycle. You're clogging the drain. Number 3, protein bars, the fitness world's sacred snack. Many protein bars contain artificial sweeteners like sucralose or acesulfame potassium, and emerging research suggests these compounds alter gut microbiome composition in ways that reduce the production of serotonin and GABA, neurotransmitters your brain desperately needs to transition into restorative sleep stages. Less GABA means lighter sleep. Lighter sleep means poor memory consolidation. You're literally eating your own memories, one chocolate chip cookie dough bar at a time. So what should you actually eat at night if you want your brain firing like a well-oiled machine the next morning? This is where things get interesting, and where I need to tell you about something that genuinely changed my nighttime routine. The real underlying issue across all 3 of these snack problems is the same: inflammation, cortisol dysregulation, and poor sleep quality. And one of the most clinically well-supported nutrients for addressing all 3 of these simultaneously is magnesium, specifically magnesium glycinate. I started taking a magnesium glycinate supplement about 30 minutes before bed, and the difference was almost annoyingly obvious. Deeper sleep, clearer mornings, actually remembering the name of the person I met the day before. Revolutionary stuff. Magnesium glycinate is the most bioavailable and gentlest form of magnesium. It calms the nervous system, reduces cortisol at night, supports GABA production. Remember GABA, the thing the protein bar was destroying, and has been shown to directly support memory consolidation during sleep. The one I personally use and recommend is Doctor's Best High Absorption Magnesium Glycinate Lysinate, available on Amazon. It's third-party tested, highly rated, and doesn't cause the digestive issues you get from cheaper magnesium oxide versions. You can find it for around $20 for a 2-month supply, which is honestly less than a box of those lying protein bars that were erasing your memories anyway. So here's your new nighttime protocol. Ditch the flavored yogurt, the processed crackers, and the fake healthy protein bar. If you need something, go for a small handful of walnuts, actual omega-3s, and take your magnesium glycinate. Your brain is working hard for you every single night. The least you can do is stop feeding it nonsense and give it the one mineral it actually needs to protect your most valuable asset. Your memories are worth more than a protein bar. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.